Hi, I'm Steffen from Ortlieb, and I would like to present our organizers for bike panniers. The organizers are custom-made for the back roller shape and are available in 2 versions. They're great for touring and commuting and help you organize your gear. They will also fit into the Velo shopper or bike packer. The packing cubes are a set of 3 individual bags. The lower bag is 5.1 liters. It's the smallest and is intended for heavier stuff. The central and top bag can be easily removed from your pannier by the handle. All organizers have a 2-way zipper, plus inner and outer mesh pockets. The lower bag is ideal for your toiletries, so for example at a campground you can easily carry your stuff to the washrooms. The 3 bags will help you with organizing, packing and finding your stuff. The Commuter Insert is a city organizer for your commute to work. It features a padded laptop compartment for laptops up to 15 inches. We highly recommend checking the size and fit of your computer because the organizer is slightly tapered towards its base. The Commuter Insert features a snap hook for keys, pen slots and 2 side pockets for stowing a smartphone or other small things. The main compartment has 2 mesh pockets for fixing a bottle or vacuum flask. There's also plenty of room to stow clothing, shoes or your lunch in the main compartment. A handle at the top helps placing the insert into your pannier. Our organizers will help you keep organized, assist easy packing and finding your stuff. Please visit our website or check out our YouTube channel if you'd like more information on Ortlieb products.